In the design sphere, there is a huge number of new design tools coming out all the time. Now, as designers, that can be pretty overwhelming because they all have their pros and cons, and sometimes things are just cool because they're new and shiny, and it can be difficult to make a choice on what to actually use. Traditionally, you might think to use something like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Sketch, depending on your particular flavor. But the trouble there is it's an application on our computer and we save the files to our own hard drive or in Dropbox, which can make things difficult when you collaborate in a larger team on things. So you will always seen files where it's like final_1.psd, final_2, final, and it just gets out of hand. So a tool that we're going to be using this week to work with our design file is Figma. Figma is a completely browser-based design tool that is solving that problem of how to collaborate on design work in teams. And it's got lots of other nice features as well, but essentially that's the main problem that it solves. So we've got the design itself on Figma. You can grab the link from here in the guides. And this is what it looks like. We have a load of artboards here with all the various screens we're going to be building out. And it works very similar to something like Sketch. The UI is in slightly different places and whatnot. And if you want to go in and view this, you don't have to. This is optional to do. You can sign up an account for free. You can just connect it to your Google account. You have a Google account, or you can create one with an email. And then you should get access to be able to view this. I think if you don't have an account, you can still view it, but you won't be able to see the fonts properly. So it's up to you. If you don't want to do that, we still have in the assets folder all of the screenshots of the various different screens. So you can also use those as your reference. So what I'm looking at here is just a JPEG of each of the pages. So the good thing about Figma is I can go in here and I can see what the font sizes are, what the fonts are, take very precise and exact measurements, and it's just a really powerful way and also a more realistic way to be working on a design. If you're a developer and you get handed over a design, this is the kind of tool that you would probably encounter in a modern kind of setup. So this is Figma. What I'm going to do in the next video is to actually introduce the project and the design itself. We'll sort of break down the various different pieces that we have and start drawing ourselves up a shopping list, just like we did with the first project, looking at what we actually have and turning that into features.